Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful, gorgeous Claremont. It's a beautiful sunshine state, all right? So, folks, here's the deal. What I want to talk to you about. I want to talk to you about this amazing. And yes, I am bragging so much about this weight loss program that I am in. Folks, now here's the deal. Okay, I don't know about you, but with me and my family, especially, my husband right now, okay, we're having so many health issues. Okay, so I know firsthand what it is to take your health very seriously, folks. Take it from me. Okay, it is very, very important that you pay attention to your body. You pay attention to your health. Okay, seriously. You need to pay attention to your health. You need to stay focused as what your body is telling you. Okay? And folks, here's the thing. You see, so many of us, right? We're walking around, we're going about doing our business with unwanted fat. We're heavy, and yet we're not paying attention to our body. Having unwanted heaviness, in our body, what happens is that you feel sluggish, you can't move, you can't do the things as fast as you ought to do, and yet we said, oh well, we become so mediocre about it. And that is exactly, that's not fair at all. That is not fair at all, because, I don't know about you, but the Word of God says that our body is a temple of the Holy Ghost. And we ought to take care of this body, because God gives us His body that we ought to take care of. But folks, what I want to say to you as well is that I do have this health product, all right? It was shared to me, and I can't begin to tell you that this company, okay, it over delivered on its promise. Folks, as a matter of fact, I was very heavy. I was kind of sluggish. I don't have the energy, and all I want to do is just to eat and sleep. Oh my goodness. I can do some things, but as long as so fast as I can eat, oh my, I can't keep my eyes open. I wanted to sleep. So folks, with this product now that I'm using, I can't begin to tell you the amount of energy that I do have. All right? My husband was not well. I was in the hospital. Day in, day out, the burst of energy within myself, I could not have done it. But with this product, it made it all possible. A lot of people ask me, Sharon, what keeps you going? Are you not tired? I said, you know what? Yeah, there are times I get a little bit tired, but you know what? This product that I'm using is like amazing, folks. It is amazing. I can't emphasize enough. So what I need for you, you can call me. I'm very transparent. You can reach me at 352-805-9846. You can text me. If you text me, that's even the best way to reach me. Then as well as you can go to my website, which is weight loss with Sharon.com. And again, that's WeightLossWithSharon.com. Again, folks, that's weight loss with Sharon.com. And folks, the amazing results that people are getting, okay, they're losing weight, they are having a healthy lifestyle, you know, they're not starving themselves, they are doing well, as a matter of fact, amazingly well. I'm one of them, okay. So many others are bragging about a product from this company. And folks, here's the thing, also with this company, right, they compensate you for sharing. So let's say you want to share, you know, the product or share the program with others, you will be compensated. The compensation plan is awesome, folks. So as you share, you know, you sign up to do the business, not only as a consumer but also as a business owner, you will be compensated. So folks, I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? It is a no-brainer, okay. So you get your product, you do your thing, and then as well share it, and then guess what, you're being compensated. Okay folks, again, my name is Sharon Naraine. Please you know, hit the bell and also hit the subscribe button, okay, that big button there. Just hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified when I'm doing my video. Okay folks, again, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm running an errand. I'm going to Home Depot. I want to see if I can get a plant. I need a plant in the house. I mean, live plant. I love live plants. So let me see what they have. Okay folks, again, Sharon Naraine. Let me see, I park up here. And peace out, take care, God bless, and I shall see you in my team. Let me be the first to welcome you into the total life changes, okay? All right, go to weightlosswithsharon.com. Take care, peace out, bye for now.